So he spoke, and so he spoke, that Lord of Castamere. But now there reigns Weibo his song, with no one there to hear. Yes, now there reigns Weibo his song, and not a soul to hear.
Do you want to write a song for the dead Starks? Go ahead, write one.
The Northerners will never forget.
Good. Let them remember what happens when they march on the south.
And so he spoke, and so he spoke, that Lord of Castamere. But now there reigns Weibo his song, with no